aquarium kami sa Sharjah Aquarium. Ayan. Come here, Mama. Sam. Look. Ooh. Shark. Yeah, it's a shark. You see the shark? But be careful, okay? Ayan. Bakit parang blue? Where is the shark? Shark, where are you?
Shark.
Ayun yung shark, guys. Let's go. Corniche.
Oh, Mama.
Corniche Street.
I'm the scary.
Let's go. Papa.
What thing? That
Give way first. Oh, look at the shark.
the airplane.
Ayan. Andito na kami, guys. So, wow. Ayan. Sa aquarium.
Sometimes trying to migrate might be hunting together, so they're actually talking.
Ang ganda dito, guys. Ito na uulitan ni Mr. Ray. Ayan, o. An angelfish?
An angelfish.
I'm not sure is that an angelfish. Ang ganda dito, guys.
Wait,
And then, as we add in chirping, perhaps of some fish that are trying to impress a female on the next
I tried to check. Check your color down.
And then we've got the clay.
Guys, ayan yung hole papunta dyan. Pumasok tayo dyan. At ngayon, nandito na tayo. Maganda dito. Dalhin sila ni Molly. Kuya Sam, come here. Ayan. Ang ganda. Oh, look at this, Boyo. Wanna take a picture in there? Go na. Go na. Wow. Nandito na guys, parang, unpanel. Oh, look at this one. This is a puffer fish. What you call it?
Fish.
It's big. It's huge. Parang short lang. Ayun, look. Say hi. Dito kami sa loob. Take a picture, Mom. Take a picture. Dodo, sit down. Kuya Sam, look at here. Look up, Kuya Sam. Stay where you're going.
Oh, little fishes. I need to eat that.
Ayan, may naglilinis. Maliit lang yung tunnel nila. Ayan. Ito yung binuhuli ni Mr. Eh. Ayan naman yung mga corals. Sam. Uy, sea turtle. See the sea turtle now? Oh, look. This is Papa what he catch. He catch for. This is the reef. You see the reef? This is where's the fish is living. Look, is that the parrotfish?
Parrotfish.
Yeah. If it's parrotfish, what? Oh, look at that. It's so nice, guys.
So nice.
You see? You see the sea turtle? Up
to the sky.
No, they're orange. You see? They're orange. Yes, Sam. Mga biba rocks. na ano dito. Come here, Kuya Sam. Sam, there's an eel. Look, that's the eel. Oh, oh my God, it's huge. It's huge. Is it big? Ang laki ng eel, guys. Oh. Oh, one more year. It's one more eel.
Eel.
Grabe yung eel. Ang ganda ng tayo. May na-excited na bata. Oh, dito meron silang broomtail, sukat, ang dami. Some running is not allowed here. Ayan guys, oh. Ang ganda dito. Maliit lang siya, pero ang ganda. Kuya Sam, you see the eel? Look at it, Mama. Yan. Ang ganda dito, guys. Aquarium nito, makikita natin eel. Yan. Clark Anemone fish. Uy, oh. Ang ganda.
Fish.
Kuya Sam, come here. You stand here. Oh my God, hindi kita si Sam. Come here, another side.
White people. White people. White people. White people.
Yan. Diyan tayo kayo nagalit guys sa tunnel na yan.
A shark?
Where? Sam not allowed. They will kick you out here. You see the guy who's cleaning the... Where it is? Where he is?
A jellyfishes?
Ang laki ng isda.
But I'm scared.
Scary. Ang laki ng isda, guys. Oh, look! No. Ayun o, ang laki o. Ayun o. Guys. Ito itong maganda talaga. Yan. May second floor pa siya. Baka pwedeng umakyat. Akyat kami ni Sam. Paalam ko dyan. Sa akyat kami ni Sam. Worth it ang bayad, guys. Sam, come here. Ayan. Kurfakan pin cleary. Ayan, baka ito yung makikita niyo sa Kurfakan na ano, mga isda. Ayan. Matang baka ba to? Ano ba to? What are these? Shark? Island rock pool. Look. What are these?
The fish. I want to go to sea. Look at that.
Oh, what kind of fish? Sam, come here. Ay, parang family siya ng parrot fish. Ay, ayun oh. Sam, what are you doing? Ayun oh. Oo, parang family sila ng parrot fish. Kind ng parrot fish ba to? Yan oh. Ang dami. Ah! Yan. Yan ang mangroves, guy. Yan. Ito yung mga isda na nakatira sa mangrove. Sam, you're not allowed to go up. Ayan. Ayan na may mga sea urchin. Ay, parang ang sarap. Ito din. Sam, don't go up. Sam, it's not allowed. Sam, Mrs. Pope, mag-enter na. Ayan. Kasi baka tumalon siya. Don't go up and jump, ha? It's very deep. The shark will eat you. This is the fishes that we saw down. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Ayan. Ito yung nasa taas na kami, guys. Ayan kanina o sa baba. Yung parang, ano na yan. Diyan na tayo dumaan. Come here, Kuya Sam. Yan. Dito siguro nanggaling yung naglilinis. Why you see turtle, anak ko?
Sea turtle.
See that?
No, sir.
You see? Someone is coming.
But I'm seriously.
Boy.
Butters.
Oh my God. The winter is starting.
That turtle seems like an airplane.
Yeah, it's same shape like of airplane. It have a wings. Look. What is that?
Look at
It's a
that.
grouper?
It's a grouper.
No, they will bite you. Ang lapit lang, guys. Pwede mong mahawakan ng tubig. As in, kung hindi pa kayo nakaka-visit dito sa Sam, come here. Sam, ang kulit ni Sam. Gusto agad umalis. Umaho na yung naglilinis. Yung oxygen niya. Ayan. Yan si Mr. Sam. Go na. Oh, slowly. Excited siya. Ang lalaki, guys. Oh. Grabe, don't let them see your feet. Maybe they will jump and bite your finger. Oh, yan pa, guys. So, ang lalaki yun. Halika. Dito naman sa kabila. Shallow dito. Connected lang. Tapos ito, guys, oh. Yung lalakaran. Yung Diyos ko, nakakatakot. May baka crack. Go! Isa. Tukot, Kuya Sam, come here. Parang ako'y natatakot kay Sam, guys, kasi ano lang eh. Yan oh, tubig na yan. Pwede mo na mahawakan yung tubig. Don't put.
Look at the fish. It seems like a zeppelin. It's going high.
Ang ganda, guys. Nakakatuwa pag may mga school trip dito. Ayan. Ang lalaki talaga ng isda. Super. Ang liit lang tingnan sa ano. Pero ang laki nila. Let's go in the other side. Oh my God, it's deep here too.
Wow, stingray! Looks like a stingray. Mama?
Look at that, there's one big one. I think he's stuck there.
It's a miniature.
Yeah. You see that? Oh, na-stuck ata siya dyan, guys. Yan, oh. Don't you say put your hand. The stingray will eat it. Yan, ang dami. Ang ganda talaga, guys. Ayan. Ang super ganda. Inahawakan ko, guys. Dito, nilagay niya yung kamay niya sa tubig. Baka kanina, muntik na siya maano ng stingray. Kasi yan lang, tubig na yan, guys. Ayan, oh. Ayan, oh, tubig na yan. Mahawakan mo na lang yung tubig. Ayan. Hawakan mo lang yung tubig. Lalaki, guys, oh. Our journey is continued. See? Oh, you see? The trash on the sea? Ayan, ito nakikita sa mga basura sa dagat. Ayan. May mga cats. Yan. Parang ano siya, guys. Yung pinapakita dito yung mga ano, yung mga basura. Ano ang nangyayari if magtatapon tayo sa dagat ng basura. Oh, ayan. Reduce energy uses. Never release balloon. Go green. Marine environment for sustainable. Ayan. Oh, use eco-friendly product. Ay, Andy, ano na dito, guys? Coffee shop. Kung gusto niyo mag-coffee. Exit. Mag-exit na tayo. Ay, pwede din pala birthday haul dito, guys. So, Kuya Sam. Pasok kami ng... What's that? What is this? Na tayo, guys. Ayun na nag-elevator. Kuya Sam. Ay, ito yung shop nila. Yan. Yung shop nila. Yan, ito ang exit. Aquarium souvenir. Yan. May picture. Nasa labas na kami. Sa kabilang side, saan kami nag-fishing. Don't play with the water, ha? We don't have clothes. Oh, let's go na in the museum. Ayan, yan yung ano, mag-boat ka. Papuntang Marina ata yan. Oh, let's go na. Ayan. Tuwang-tuwa ang bata.